Oh, is he gonna dig in your oatmeal? Dig in your oatmeal? It's like being at the beach. What are you gonna do? What do you think about this? You can make it rain in oatmeal. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Ooh. So fun. Oh. 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 What you gonna do in there? What is that? What is that stuff? Oh. It feels kind of like big flakes. Rough or smooth? Feels cool, right? Feels neat. I love you. Ooh, it feels so cool. Ow! Ow! Uh-oh. It fell. Look at all this oatmeal. Look at all this oatmeal raining. Shh. It's an oatmeal bath. Wow. Are you beating your tummy with that? Are you beating your tummy with that? Pew. Hi. Oh. Huh? Oh. Ooh. It's raining oatmeal. It's raining oatmeal. Oh. Scoop it up. Get your scoop. Get your scoop.